Consumers in Dhaka are experiencing some relief as vegetable prices dropped this week. However, the cost of broiler chicken has risen further. A visit to the capital's Mohammadpur Krishi Market reveals a mixed trend in essential commodity prices. Green chili prices have dropped compared to last week, now selling for Taka 240 to Taka 250 per kg. Other vegetables have also seen price reductions due to increased supply. Eggplants are selling for Taka 80 to Taka 100 per kg depending on quality, while papaya and pointed gourd are priced at Taka 40 to Taka 60. Local onions are being sold at Taka 55 to Taka 60 per kg depending on size and quality, while potatoes remain steady at Taka 25. Ginger and garlic continue to be expensive with prices ranging from Taka 140 to Taka 200 per kg. In contrast, broiler chicken prices have surged by Taka 20 per kg, now selling at Taka 180. Sonali chicken is priced between Taka 290 and Taka 310 per kg based on size. Meanwhile, the price of eggs has remained unchanged at Taka 120 per dozen, the same as last week.